Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you on how to fix a closed account in American Express Business Checking. So the first step is to sign in at americanexpress.com and open Business Checking. A red banner reads your business checking account has been closed and the balance shows 0. So you have to click on view details so you keep read access to statements even after closure. Next is find the exact closure reason. So the account closure details page names the reason: inactivity, incomplete KYB verification, a suspicious activity review, or missing business verification documents. So you have to write down the closure date and the reference number. Support will ask for both. So next is go to messages or call the 1-800-528-2122 and open a case titled Account Closure Request and open case titled Account Closure Review Request. So quote the reference number, state the closure was in error, and ask exactly which documents will reopen the account. So keep everything in one thread. Next is upload your articles incorporation or the IRS EIN confirmation letter, CP575, and a government issued ID for each beneficial owner. So files must be cleared PDFs or color photos under 10 MB with the legal business name matching IRS records exactly. Then click on submit after. Lastly is review usually takes 5 to 10 business days. So on approval, you will get an email, a green account reinstalled banner with status active and your balance, routing and the account number unchanged. So if Amex declines to reopen it, request for remaining funds by check. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!